Hi there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas, where we explore the extraordinary in the ordinary. Before we start today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to discuss CSS property called grid template areas. This property allows you to define and name the cells, or you can say areas, in a CSS grid container. So this is really interesting property when you are dealing with grids. So in this video, we will create one simple example to understand how this property works and in which cases this property can be useful. So let's go and start creating a very simple HTML. So here in HTML, let's add one div with grid. So this is our grid container. Okay, and in these divs we have, let's say, two or three. So first of all, let's add two divs here, one and two, and this is grid container. Right now nothing there. Okay, so here what we can do, class grid display. First of all, display should be display grid. Okay, so now we have these two grids here. With that, let's add some background color. So this is grid background color, and here inside this div, so we have this grid and two divs here, right? So let me add some border first. Border 1 pixel solid and some light color. Border radius 15 pixel. Okay, so now this is about the grid. Okay, border radius as well. In this div, we will have display flex and align items center and justify content also center. Let's make it little bit big, 22 pixel, and some background color. For now, let's give some background color like this one. Okay, let me change it to little bit different one. Okay, so now have this background color with us. Okay, so here also give some radius, border radius, and that's fine. We can, okay, let's add one solid border as well. Okay, so now we have total two grid here, total number of two grids, and let's add some color as well. Gap, so gap will be here in this container, gap 1 rem, and padding also 1 rem. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, so now we have this grid. With this grid, let's give minimum height 20 vh. Okay, view height 20. So this is a simple grid. All right, so now using this grid template areas, so you need to define that property here, grid template areas. Grid template areas. Here, how you can define, you can define using string a or ab, so it can be anything. Okay, so using this syntax, A means first column, B means second column, and AB means first row. Okay, so this is first row and first column, second column, right? So if you make it ABC, it won't affect. So it will add the third column, but right now we don't have third column, so it will be an empty space. To utilize that, what you can do, you can copy this and add third div, then it will be adjusted in this area. So using grid template areas, you can define the grid area, or in the grid area container to be precise. Okay, so this is how you can use. For example, I have three more divs, and let me add that. So 4, 5, 6. So now we have total 6 divs, and you can divide any way we want. So what you can do here, you can make it abcd, so it will divide 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. Also, what you can do here, you can remove like this, enter ab again, enter ct, and see how it looks. So now what is our syntax? We have two columns and three rows. So that's why it is dividing six divs, six grids into two columns and total six divs. So yeah, two columns and three rows. Okay. So if you use like this ABC, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will not be able to divide because this is not consistent, right? So when you go and check in the browser using inspect element, this is grid and it's not a valid syntax, right? If you want to make it like this, you can do like this. So ABC, oh, you need to use the same. For example, ABC a DC, that is fine, because when you are using the string, you cannot use inconsistently, right? So ABC, you can also use D, E, F, G, H, and I. So you can define. Okay, so this is not working because we need to define this. Yeah, this should work, right? Yeah, my bad. So when you define using ABC, or you can also use 1 2 3 and see if it works. It works, right? So you just need to define the areas. You can use anything you want here. 4 5 6, it works fine here, but you cannot use again 1 here, because using 1, so using 1 you already have defined this area. So if you want to use 1 again here, you need to use 1 here, here, right? Then it will work as expected. So 4, also you can use 3, and anything you want here, right? So you can define your grid areas in whichever manner you want, but you just want to make sure that it should be in proper consistency manner. You cannot use any string or any numbers anywhere. You need to make sure that if you have defined 1 here, you cannot use that 1 value here in second column or second row, right? Because it should be a unique value. So if you can assign like this, it's fine, you can keep it like this. Okay, so using this, a very useful grid template area CSS property, you can define and you can name the areas in a CSS grid container and divide your grids in whichever manner you want. All right. So I hope this CSS property grid template areas is clear to you. If you have any question, you can leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for my next video and hit the bell icon to get notified. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.